Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. Right here in downtown Orlando, there is a bar, especially to drink and to hang out with your pet, with your dog. It's amazing how many breeds you can see without leash. They are friendly. Most of them are really big. You can see that one that has 3 legs. Oh, baby. You can see your games.
Welcome back to the NFC Championship presented by Intuit TurboTax. We're here at Lincoln Financial Field.
We are so friendly. If you have a dog in the area, you can bring here, watch the games, drink something, hang out with your dogs. Here they don't sell any kind of sandwich, wings, but you can bring your own food and eat. You have some.
Let's go back to Josh Johnson. Yeah, it's so.
Actually, it's a Pups Pub. Amazing, amazing place. Really good place.
In this case, Josh Johnson falls. And take a look. You mentioned going into the game, Christian McCaffrey came in with that sore calf. And he was looking at the play sheet, going over, I guess, what they would run if he went in as well. All live, the trainer working on that right calf. So those.
Hey, yeah, Picasso! Woo! Andate para allá. Picky, Picky! Woohoo! Come on, yes.
Looks like they're massaging off, looking at the play sheet. It's not him. How do you check with the eye? I don't know. That's handful left. I mean, yeah, I think that's.
Hey! Woo! Buena, Picky!
Options become really limited.
He's taking a shot. AJ Brown.
He's Max. Max!
Incomplete. Great job by Moore and his 49ers defense to hang in there on that series.
Yeah, the first half, he was up bump and run, Devontae Smith, and he holds up. This time, it's a little sluggo, a little
Picasso, eh?
and pump. It's a hard route. And that down the distance. So Eric Moore has done a nice job holding up on the outside. You see Brock Purdy continuing to see if he can just get that grip strength. Settle that elbow down and see if he can come in and play hero.
Another back kick. The Cloud's going to take it on the hop. Back to the 40 and tripped up at the 45. And the 49ers will take over there. Let's spin the wheel on quarterbacks. For Kyle Shanahan. Brock Purdy, come on down.
Why are there 2 extra seats? I would give you a dog, a great Dane, 2 great Danes. I know, giant little Danes, giant beard. Dragon. Oh, that's a good boy. Dragons are the way. Twin sisters.
The Volkswagen Atlas, more room for SUVs.
Starts out and goes straight for us. Philadelphia makes their fair share of plays. We gotta just keep playing. We've got to make this team plays with fit out players. We're going to continue to make adjustments in our fronts and our coverages, and since that. I think those 2 weeks at the end of the season, Philadelphia had to learn to operate without their potential MVP quarterback. I think you just learned. There's a lot of really good players on this Philly offense. Best offensive great skill players.
More dog people and more pets are deciding it's time for a fresh approach to life food. They're quitting the kibble, and kicking the cans, and feeding their dogs dog food that's actually, well, food. Developed with pets. Made from real lean veggies, portioned for your dog, and delivered
Hola, amor, hola.
smarter, healthier pet food.
Hola. A Claudine.
Debo Samuel trying to wheel the quarterback back into the back. I don't know if that's good then. Shoot that on his own. It's Josh Wilson. The 490 is going to have a playoff action. And a digging early. Back to pass. Let's just set up the screen.